Hey guys, we are closing in on the end of week 1, so please make sure that your replies to others in our discussions are complete by Sunday night. Just a reminder that you need to have 2 replies to other people. I know many of you are doing much more than that, which is great. Really what you're seeing is that our work together is collaborative learning. Everybody in this class comes from a different background, has different experiences, so this is a great time to draw on that. And as we move forward, you're going to be building your Canvas class and people are going to be popping in and participating and exploring and asking you questions. And I know this can be a little bit uncomfortable, but this is a really good chance to learn from others and to ask hard questions so that you understand. And it gives you an opportunity to think about how you might do things differently in the future. And again, that doesn't mean you're right or wrong in your design choices, but it's making sure that you can explain your design choices and also ask others so that you can learn from them. I hope that you are enjoying our first week together. I wish you a wonderful holiday weekend. I will be out of the office on Monday, Labor Day, but I will be back on Tuesday. Thanks. Have a great one, guys.